If your Bluetooth is suddenly missing on Windows 11 and you can't connect your headphones, mouse, or speakers, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to reinstall your Bluetooth drivers with or without an internet connection. Stick around and let's fix this in minutes. Before you start anything, make sure airplane mode is off. Airplane mode disables all wireless communications, including Bluetooth. Press Windows plus E to open the quick settings. Ensure airplane mode is not highlighted. Now let's begin. Open Device Manager. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth. Click the arrow next to Bluetooth to expand the list. You'll see items like Intel Wireless Bluetooth or similar. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and select Uninstall Device. In the pop-up, check Attempts to remove the driver for this device. Then click Uninstall. Now restart your PC. Restarting forces Windows to detect a missing hardware and automatically reinstall the driver. If you are unsure Bluetooth is enabled in BIOS, enter the BIOS usually by pressing F2, Del, or Escape on startup. Look under Wireless, Advanced, or Integrated Peripherals and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. If Windows didn't automatically reinstall your Bluetooth driver after restart, use this method. Visit your PC manufacturer's website because you need to download the exact driver made for your laptop or desktop model. Open your browser and go to your PC brand's official support site. I am using a Dell computer, so I will be visiting the official Dell website. I have the links to HP, Lenovo, Asus, and Acer official websites in the video description for quick access. Once open, enter your device model number. You can find it by pressing Windows plus R and type in MS-Info 32, then press enter. Look under System Model to locate the device model number. From there, move back to the web browser and key in the device model number. When done, navigate to the Drivers and Download section. On the suggested results, click Drivers and Download. Then click Select Drivers and Find Specific Drivers. Now look for the Bluetooth drivers. Scroll through the drivers presented till you find the Bluetooth driver. These basic steps apply also on other websites. Select the driver and confirm the download by clicking the Download Selected button to download the executable file. When the download completes, click Open and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Install to proceed with the process. Click Next and Next once again. Now accept the license agreement and proceed. I recommend choosing the complete setup to gain access to all the program features. And lastly, click Install to complete the process. To apply the changes and activate a new Bluetooth driver, I recommend restarting your PC. And that's it. Your Bluetooth drivers should now be reinstalled and working properly.